Last time I left you, we couldn't quite get the convertible top up and latched. So as you remember, there were some bolts that we needed to add and make some adjustments. So let's take a look, see if we can get that job done. As we jump right in, we need to secure 3 bolts on the driver's side. It amazes me there were 4 missing bolts on this side and that the top had functioned previously. Here are the 3 we needed. On the passenger side, we installed another, which has given us a total of 2 for the passenger side. Let's give the top a whirl and see if we can get it closed and latched. It's moving good, and it came over just fine. The posts and hooks seem to be lined up. Now, latch them in. Overall, the fit is good and secure. What a difference 6 bolts make on the operation of the top. I am glad I noticed the missing bolts. Otherwise, this could have been a different video at a different time. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. You haven't done it already? Don't forget to smash the thumbs up if you like the content, and of course, leave comments. I love the interaction.